You've seen those faceless YouTube channels posting viral tweet videos. Simple text on screen, chill music, millions of views. But here's the twist, you can automate the entire thing with AI. No recording, no editing, no voice. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn viral tweets into YouTube videos using AI tools step by step. Step 1. Find viral tweets. Head to X, Twitter, and search for 1. Motivational quotes. 2. Startup advice. 3. Money, investing tips. 4. Daily facts or storytelling threads. Or go to sites like 1. TweMX, surfaces viral tweets. 2. Better tweets, Tweet Hunter, or Hype Fury, for top-performing tweet ideas. Look for tweets with 1. 5K plus likes. 2. 500 plus retweets. 3. Short and punchy structure. Save 5 to 10 tweets for your first video. Step 2. Convert tweets into script format. Paste the tweet into ChatGPT and say, turn this tweet into a short narration script for a motivational faceless video. Add an engaging hook and ending. Optional. Combine multiple tweets into one cohesive mini story or list. X. 5 harsh truths about success. You'll get a short narration script ready to go. Step 3. Create a video with AI. Now use Pictory, InVideo, or VE.io to turn the script into a faceless YouTube video. 1. Add your narration script. 2. Choose AI voiceover, select a calming or professional tone. 3. Auto-generate visuals with stock footage, type in keywords like city skyline, typing, money, etc. 4. Add background music, something chill, ambient, or lo-fi. 5. Optional. Add tweet screenshots using Canva or directly into your video timeline. You now have a fully AI-generated faceless YouTube video. Step 4. Title, SEO, and upload. Upload the video to YouTube Shorts or your regular channel. Use titles like 1. This tweet will change how you think about success. 2. He made $10 million with this simple advice, tweet breakdown. 3. One tweet that explains why you're still broke. These titles boost curiosity and center. In the description. 1. Add credits if needed. 2. Add relevant hashtags like hashtag faceless YouTube, hashtag AI video, hashtag motivation. Post 3 to 5 times a week and stay consistent. And that's how creators are flipping tweets into views and income, with zero camera or editing skills. Want the AI to also write the tweets? Want it to turn Reddit posts into videos? It's all possible, and we'll cover that next. Hit subscribe and let's build your faceless YouTube empire one AI tool at a time.